Meaning of hypnopaedia.
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 Hypnopaedia. Hypnopaedia is a technique that involves learning while asleep. It's also known as sleep teaching or hypnopaedia. The concept has been around since the early 20th century, and there have been various attempts to use it to teach languages, improve memory, and even change behavior. However, the scientific evidence for its effectiveness is limited. Some studies have suggested that it may be possible to learn simple associations while asleep, but more complex knowledge acquisition is unlikely to occur. Overall, the potential benefits of hypnopaedia are still uncertain, and its use remains controversial.